Good day everyone, I am Benjilin Eframon from Bansudi Cluster 3E04V and this is my presentation. Use appropriate multimedia resources. Orally giving information, instructions, making explanation and narrating events, and personal recounts. Have you seen these icons? Where do you usually find these icons? What do you call it when these icons are combined? Multimedia is the use of a computer to present and combine text, graphics, audio, and video with links and tools that let the user navigate, interact, create, and communicate. Different multimedia resources: television, email, social media, videos, films, multimedia message, PowerPoint presentation. Television, one of the most common multimedia resources, commonly used in every household, has different TV programs or TV shows. Email. In the modern world, people use electronic mails when they compose letters, attach files, send pictures, and many more. Used through Gmail and Yahoo Mail as service providers. Social media. People could post pictures, information, videos, etc. Used for messaging through chat. Videos. In this digital era, this multimedia shows multiple frames of images with sound, an audiovisual type of multimedia. Films are movies with different genres to choose from. Multimedia message, a message service provider that enables you to transmit icons, audios, videos. PowerPoint presentation, a medium that you could input text and add images, videos, and sound.